Hi, I'm Zoe from the New Leaf Coaching and Kinesiology. I've been making vision boards every year since 2012 and have run vision board workshops since 2013. So over the years, I've learned how to make a functional vision board that works, and I've seen why vision boards fail. Alrighty, so why do vision boards fail? So here's some of the main reasons that I've noticed over the years. So the first one is they don't have feeling. So people will put images up that they feel should be there, but they don't really resonate with those images. And so it's unlikely that they're going to become a reality. So the vision board may look impressive, it's got all the right things on it, but there's no feeling there, there's no connection. So you want to make sure that you actually have a feeling, a connection with whatever you're putting on your vision board. The other thing is too many images. So cluttered vision boards lead to cluttered goals. That's my opinion anyway. So you don't need to put that pressure in your life. You want to look at it and feel that it's achievable. So when it comes to images, less is more. Another reason vision boards fail is that they're forgettable. So even those who start out with the best intentions can forget about their vision board. So you want to keep it somewhere that you can see it, somewhere where you remember to look at it. I would suggest somewhere like maybe in your bedroom, so you see it in the morning or at night, somewhere where you can actually just lie down and have a look at it and absorb it and take it in and get familiar with it. And because you don't want to put your heart and soul into it and then let it become part of the furniture. So to make your vision board work, so there's a few things you must do. Now these are the absolute basics. The first one is you make it feel good. If you can feel what you want, you're more likely to attract it into your life, okay? Because you're going to align with it. And the process of having a vision board is progressively aligning with it throughout the year. So you want something that feels good. You want something that feels a little bit challenging, actually. Just a little bit like, ooh, imagine if I had that. There's a bit of anticipation around it. You have to embody the quality or the feeling of that which you desire, because of course you're going to be putting images up there. You're not going to be getting that exact image. I mean, sometimes strange things have been known to happen. In the example of this, there's that beautiful home there. You're not going to probably attract that exact house, but you're going to attract the feeling that having that house gives you. Yeah. When it comes to aligning with what you're feeling, align with it, and then you'll naturally attract it into your life. Yeah. The second basic thing is it's got to look good. So this is a reflection of your life that you're designing. You want your life to look good. So I say avoid trashy mags, because trashy mags, trashy goals. So I would recommend go down to the news agency and get yourself at least one, maybe two good quality magazines. You will notice that your board will just take on a whole other life. Yeah, so make sure your board looks good. And the third thing is make sure it's memorable. So look at your board and memorize your design until you're familiar with it. It takes about maybe 1 or 2 months, checking in with it regularly. But you will notice things throughout the year that you'll be doing something, or you'll meet someone, or something will come up and you go, oh yeah, that's on my board. It just, because it's familiar, you recognize it. And this is about recognizing what you want and attracting it into your life. Yeah. So when you make a vision board, you set an intention to commit to what you're putting on there. Okay. Now I'm going to add in here that when in the last probably 5 or 6 years now, when I do these boards, I know for a fact whatever I put on my board, I will attract it, because I'm doing it in this formula, this particular formula that I'm showing you. And so when you commit to it, you're putting it on the board straight away, you're committing to it, but you have faith that you're going to attract it, yeah, that it's going to happen. So put your board somewhere that you can see it all year, to remind yourself that it's that you're attracting it, and have faith. You know, you're not just putting random images up there and hoping for the best. You're putting images on there that you are absolutely going to attract into your life. Okay, so that's a super quick look at the 3 things you must do to make your vision board work. And so in the next video, I'm going to talk about how to choose the right images for your board. And in the meantime, there's a free PDF download for this video. So links down below, but you can log in and download that video handout, and also get the bonus download. And it's the 10 questions to empower your New Year intentions. It's kind of got a little bit of a twist in there where you like go, oh yeah, that is what I want in my life, without even realizing it. So yeah, the link for that's down below. Go down there, download that. That'll give you something to play with. And I'll see you in the next video. All right, so thanks for watching, and bye for now.